fabric markers will unleash your creativity with their intense, vivid color. Our non-toxic marker inks are specifically formulated for use on a variety of fabrics, providing a rich, fade-resistant result that remains bright wash after wash. Tulip fabric markers come in a variety of sets, color palettes, and price points to give you the breadth of colors, nib options, and price points to meet your needs. Our most popular pen types include fine writers, brush tip, and graffiti bullet tip. Fine writers are great for drawing fine lines, shading, and adding smaller details to your fabrics. Brush tips are great for filling in designs and stenciling. The bullet nib is a versatile tip that is perfect for drawing lines, outlining, and writing on your shoes, shirts, pillowcase, canvases, or more. Whether drawing, doodling, or coloring in a design, you can count on these easy-to-use non-toxic fabric markers for true permanent color that lasts. Click Add to Cart now and start creating today.